how to make millions. Selling rocks? Everyone told him he was crazy. His friends laughed at him, but in just 6 months, he became a millionaire by selling rocks from the beach. In 1975, Gary Dahl was listening to his friends complain about their pets. They need to be fed. They make a mess. They need constant attention. So Gary joked, "I have the perfect pet, a rock." What started as a joke became a brilliant business idea. He created the pet rock. He bought ordinary stones for just a few cents, put them in small cardboard boxes with air holes, and included a hilarious training manual. People thought it was ridiculous, but they loved it. In just 6 months, he sold over 1.5 million rocks at $4 each. Today, his net profit would equal around $15 million. The lesson? It doesn't matter how stupid an idea sounds if you know how to package it and sell it. Sometimes the product isn't genius, the marketing is.